Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where businesses reward affiliates for driving traffic or sales to their products or services. There are many benefits of affiliate marketing, including increased brand exposure. Affiliate marketing allows businesses to reach new audiences and increase their brand exposure through the network of affiliates who promote their products. Cost-effective. Affiliate marketing is a cost-effective way to drive sales and generate leads, as businesses only pay affiliates for successful conversions. Increase sales. Affiliate marketing can significantly increase sales, as affiliates are motivated to promote the products and services they believe in. Improved SEO. Affiliate marketing can improve search engine rankings as affiliates include links to the business's website, which can lead to more inbound traffic and better search engine visibility. Low risk. Since businesses only pay affiliates for successful conversions, there is minimal risk involved in affiliate marketing. Access to new markets. Affiliate marketing allows businesses to expand into new markets and reach customers they might not otherwise have been able to reach. Greater control. Affiliate marketing allows businesses to have greater control over their marketing efforts, as they can choose which affiliates to work with and which products or services to promote. Time saving. Affiliate marketing can be a time-saving marketing strategy as businesses can rely on their affiliates to promote their products and services, allowing them to focus on other aspects of their business. Overall, affiliate marketing can be a highly effective marketing strategy for businesses looking to increase their brand exposure, drive sales, and expand into new markets, all while minimizing risk and reducing marketing costs.